The ProStock is a carousel dispensing device in the full suite of CribMaster traditional vending solutions. With the high security and single-item dispensing of the ProStock, you can improve workflow and effectively manage the distribution of hundreds of items at the point of use, all within a very small footprint. Anytime an employee needs supplies, they use either a badge or identification code that allows the system to record the transaction. Because product is available 24/7, workers are less likely to hoard or overuse. With optional user-defined cost centers prompted at login, such as department or machine, the system also helps identify additional cost savings opportunities. Controls can be set so that employees have access to only the products they need. The pie-shaped sections allow for easy configuration of multiple-sized items such as safety supplies, cutting tools, or batteries. When the product is removed, the software automatically records the transaction and updates the database. Automated reports and stock-level alerts optimize order levels and prevent stockouts. With this system come all the robust features of CribMaster and the ability to share detailed information to any of your workforce automatically. A whole new meaning to managing your MRO and indirect material.